This camper trailer may look luxurious, but its rugged design can take on the Australian outback. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. Get my newsletter there for free also. I'm ready to go. This cube-shaped camper is 17 feet long, has a molded thermoplastic composite body shell, and has a slide-out outdoor kitchen. Yum, yum. The front of the cabin looks like a hotel room with a top shelf surface, drawers, cubbies, a mini bar, and an 85-liter fridge freezer. There's even more storage space at the overhead cabinets around, and the bed and drawers below the bed. The coolest part about this is a 270-degree view out of the 3 large windows. But don't worry, there is built-in shades when it's time to get some rest and sleep in. The trailer starts at just under 45 grand, and I'm waiting to hear about plans for US distribution because I'm ready for some upscale glamping adventures, aren't you? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Open a browser, type in cyberguy.com and click the red button.